Welcome to this Oracle interview series. In this video, we are going to see if a SQL statement is executed with and without hint, if the SQL ID of that SQL statement change or not. Okay, so if you see, there are two SQL statements. One SQL statement is executed without hint and the other SQL statement is executed with hint. Okay, so I'm just using parallel hint. Any hint can be used here, but the question is whether if we use hint, then the SQL ID changes or not. The answer for this question is the SQL ID change. Okay, first SQL will be having different SQL ID and second SQL will be having different SQL ID. So let us just execute this in the database and see. Okay, so both of the SQL statements are fetching the same data. So first let us check the SQL ID for the first SQL statement. Okay, so we don't have the SQL ID in the explain plan, right? So let us check in the $SQL. So here if you see, the one with the parallel hint is having 7RZ SQL ID, and the one without the parallel hint, it is having some different SQL ID. Okay, so why this happens? Because as we know that the SQL ID changes even if there is a minor space. Okay, but here there is a big hint, so definitely the SQL ID will change. Okay, thanks for watching.